Kaohsiung, Taiwan. A highway accident sets a chemical tanker ablaze, creating a deadly emergency. The truck is filled with styrene, one of the world's most dangerous industrial chemicals. The substance is highly toxic and extremely explosive. The poisonous fumes threaten the lives of the firefighters who are trying to contain the inferno. But there's another danger. The tanker's internal cooling system has failed, and now the styrene is a ticking time bomb. The men use high-pressure hoses in an attempt to cool down the wreckage. But they're fighting a losing battle. Suddenly, the tanker explodes, filling the sky with a monstrous cloud of flames and burning ash. Watch again as 4,000 gallons of styrene ignite into a cyclone of fire, raining molten debris down on the helpless firefighters. Although 4 men suffer burns, no one is killed by the massive blast. Incredible.